I went to President Jacob Zuma to report to him that Nathi Mthethwa, the police minister at the time, was interfering with my work. These are the words by Lieutenant General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi. Let us listen to this clip.
How did you communicate this to the president that there's something going on which is not up to what we are expected to do as police?
It is unfortunate that I did not write to him. I went there in person. So I had a one-on-one engagement with the president about it. And you're correct, honorable member, I would have expected the president to conduct some investigation on this thing. But the president didn't. He simply said, okay, if you're having issues with the minister, just give me time. I'm going to appoint someone else to take over from you. And that was the end of the meeting.
And that's President Zuma we're talking about?
That's correct.
We did not do anything about this matter when you communicated to him that we have been invited into doing wrong things?
Yeah, no, they didn't do anything about it.
Natal Police Commissioner, Lieutenant General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi, while testifying at a parliamentary ad hoc committee investigating the political interference in the SAPS and the capture of the whole judicial system, confirmed what he raised in the Madlanga Commission. Mkhwanazi firstly testified at the Madlanga Commission. What he mentioned at the Madlanga Commission is that when he was the acting National Police Commissioner between 2011 and 2012, he had to resign from his position as the acting National Police Commissioner after having been appointed, of course, by the then State President Jacob Zuma. He said he resigned because of the political interference from the then police minister, the late Nathi Mthethwa, who was pressurizing Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi to drop all the legal processes against Richard Mdluli. You'd remember Richard Mdluli was being charged by the NPA, but also by the SAPS in their own internal processes, disciplinary processes. So Nathi Mthethwa was interfering, instructing Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi to withdraw those charges. So Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi went to President Jacob Zuma as a person who, of course, appointed him and told him about this. And Jacob Zuma did nothing about it. This is what I was saying also, that what happened there is a case of constructive dismissal, meaning Jacob Zuma used Nathi Mthethwa to get rid of Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi because Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi was refusing to take illegal instructions from Nathi Mthethwa. So when Mkhwanazi now moves to the parliament ad hoc committee to give testimony, he confirmed this again. That this here has been questioned by Julius Malema. He confirms that he went to Jacob Zuma and told him about Nathi Mthethwa's shenanigans, and Jacob Zuma did nothing. The fact that Zuma did nothing means he's complicit to it. Because if Jacob Zuma was principled and was against the illegal instructions by Nathi Mthethwa, he would have reprimanded Nathi Mthethwa or even fired him. But he did nothing about it, which tells you that he's the one who instructed Nathi Mthethwa to pressurize Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi to ensure that Richard Mdluli is protected. Thank you guys for tuning in. My name is Tebo Skosana. The name of the platform is Izwi Labansundu. Thank you very much.